Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I'm Shaiju Balagopal. I'm your fitness trainer, and today what we're going to do is one of the most spoken about and most sought after muscle. Whenever we talk about muscle, we show this, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the biceps, okay, and the triceps. So we're going to cover about we're going to do very little of the biceps and very little of the triceps. So we're going to do manage 4 workouts for the biceps and 4 workouts for the triceps. That's what we're going to do. And we're not going to do the ab exercise today, but this is good enough to make it really bulky. So there are 8 exercises of arms alone to build your muscle big. So your biceps size is what is going to matter in this. So watch till the end. Alright guys, the first exercise is with the barbell. So what I want you to do is take an easy bar, okay? So, and hold it where the pinky comes on the top, okay? So they all set it up for their weight, and then see that your arm is extended fully, core engaged with the knee down, and then we go all the way up. Like that. So I'm extending my arm fully and folding it. Engage your core while doing this. Keep your core engaged. 10 into 4 is what you're going to do. So that's the rep range we're going to hit. So take a weight which you can do anywhere between 8 to 12. This is a hypertrophy session. So watch for your weight being anywhere between 8 to 12 max. Okay, so if you're doing the first set 12, you can gradually drop it down up to 8. And that's the weight you should do, all right? There's one thing which I forgot to tell you guys. In this exercise, a lot of you, what they do is once they hold the rod, they go back like that, okay? And don't open the arms fully. So if you have the position where you go back, take your body back, you're putting it on your spine. Instead, put your leg forward and concentrate on your biceps, drag it up and drop it, okay? So bring it up all the way and take it up, step forward and do it. The next exercise, what you need is a couple of dumbbells. You need to hold it on top, then bring it back right behind you, squat a little bit, okay? Then from here, twist, twist. Take 1 dumbbell at a time, and the time which you hold the dumbbell behind is the triceps flexion there you get. So you're going to flex your biceps here and your triceps behind. So that's what you're going to do. That's going to be 10 into 4 again, 40 reps of continuous exercise. Do it till the end. The next exercise, again, see, as long as you're not pulling your back like that, you can stand in a squared stance. But if you're going to pull your back, then start standing like this. So what the next exercise is, take a heavy load, don't take a light weight. I've taken a light weight for the demo. So pull it up all the way. The elbow doesn't flare like this, goes behind, pull it up. Flex your biceps, hold it for a second, bring it back down. Bring it up, bring it back down. Okay, that's what we're going to do. All right, that's the next biceps exercise. So it's complete. It's called a drag curl. So it's a complete workout. Try it out. Bring your, so it's like carrying the shopping bag and putting it in your car. So lift and throw. So here you're not throwing, but just lifting it. Alright guys, the next exercise, okay, this is a little tough. You're going to do an iso hold with a hammer curl. So what are you going to do? You're going to stand sideways to do this. So first, start at this position. Okay, engage your core, hold the dumbbell up, and then drop one, bring it up, drop the other. So there's an iso hold component which engages your biceps throughout. Okay, so you're going to do that. And lift the dumbbell. Okay, 10 into 4. So if you do both the hands, that's 1. You need to do 10 into 4. That's what you're going to do till the last. And the next set of exercises is going to be triceps. So watch till the end. If you're watching this video till now, like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends, and ask questions. Ask anything you like, and we'll help you out with it. Alright guys, the next exercise, again, as a triceps exercise, we got into the triceps workouts. So what we're going to do is this next triceps exercise, you can use a plate or a dumbbell. For the convenience sake, for my convenience, I've taken a plate. Alright, so now what you're going to do is hold it up like this. Okay, like the 2 holes of the wheel, hold it up, and see, if you're a guy who puts a weight on your back, stand forward and then lean forward, bring your elbows in, and triceps kick up. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Okay, press it up continuously for 10 into 4. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. So keep going at it, and it's a wonderful exercise. You'll be amazed how it works. Going to be a triceps workout. Watch till the end. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Kickback. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm using a plate. You can use a dumbbell. Now, the advantage of using a plate is when you're holding it like this, your forearm gets worked up. So I'm working my full arm today. So 1, kickback, 2, kickback. So the position is the same. You hold your core, your leg to head is one straight line, and then hold the dumbbell up and kick it back. So work your triceps fully. It's an engaging exercise, 10 into 4, and it's an amazing workout to do. exercise is on the floor. You know what it is already. So use a plate, take it to 45 degrees here, and take the plate to your skull. If you see, my elbow is not moving, but my forearm is. The skull crusher, 10 into 4 is what you're going to do. So work on your triceps, 10 into 4. Watch till the end. And there's one more exercise left for the workout. Alright guys, thanks for watching till the end. This is the last exercise and Gautam guessed it right. It's going to be a diamond push-up is what I thought, but he requested we don't need that. Okay, so we are not going to do that. Okay, so instead what you're going to do is going to go onto the floor. Okay, sit like that and go up. Okay, keep your legs straight, go up, hit your triceps and go up. You can use the balance beam as well. Okay, so I'm going to bring the balance beam ahead. Okay, and put your hands here. Okay, and then go down, up. Alright, so that's the last exercise. Thanks for watching till the end. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and ask questions. Do it. Thank you.